హాయ్ నమస్తే, నా పేరు ఎడిట్ పాయింట్ రమేష్. ఎడిట్ పాయింట్ ఇండియా కార్పొరేట్ కంపెనీ నుంచి మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. ఈరోజు కిటేషియా గిఫ్ట్ ఎక్స్పో నడుస్తుంది హైటెక్స్లో. ఇక్కడ దాదాపు 40 కంపెనీస్ స్టాల్స్లో ఉన్నాయి. దాదాపు 250 ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ఏందో అందుబాటులో ఉన్నాయి కార్పొరేట్ గిఫ్టింగ్లో. మేము అక్షయ్ గిఫ్ట్ ఫ్యాక్టరీ నుంచి మాట్లాడుతున్నాం. మేము సపరేట్గా మన మిడిల్ క్లాస్ అంటే మధ్యతరగతి వాళ్ళకు చాలా వరకు ఫొటోస్ అన్ని మెమొరీగా పెట్టుకోవాలని ఆశ ఉంటుంది. వాళ్ళందరి కోసము ఎల్ఈడి అండ్ ఫోటో గిఫ్ట్ ఫ్రేమ్స్ రకరకాల కాన్సెప్ట్లతో, అంటే బర్త్డే కానివ్వండి, రిటర్న్ గిఫ్ట్స్ ఇవ్వాలంటే బర్త్డే కానివ్వండి, వెడ్డింగ్ కానివ్వండి, ఇలాంటి వాటి అందరి కోసం కూడా మనం స్పెషలైజ్గా తక్కువ బడ్జెట్లో గిఫ్ట్ ఆర్టికల్స్ చేయడం జరిగింది. ఇది మీరు సొంత వ్యాపారం కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. అంటే మీరు మీ ఏరియాలో కూడా వీటిని హోల్సేల్గా తీసుకెళ్ళి మీరే ఇంట్లో చిన్న ప్రింటర్ ఉన్నా కూడా ప్రింట్ చేసి చేసుకునే విధంగా అందరికీ, అంటే ఉద్యోగం లేని వాళ్ళు కూడా పార్ట్ టైంగా ఉద్యోగం చేసుకోవడానికి అక్షయ్ గిఫ్ట్ ఫ్యాక్టరీ మీ అందరికీ కూడా ఈ యొక్క కాన్సెప్ట్ ఇస్తుంది. మీరందరూ కూడా సందర్శించాల్సిందిగా తప్పకుండా విజిట్ చేస్తున్నాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Hi, this is Cafe Nilofer. We're here at the Gift Asia exhibition. Like everybody knows, Nilofer is into fresh products, and today, this year, we're here for the first time in our gifting segment. So we have a range of boxes, for everybody, starting at the classic range to a premium range. The main philosophy for gifting for us is that even after 30 days, whenever you open the box, every product should remain fresh. That is our philosophy, and those are the values that we also hold.
హైదరాబాద్ అంటే నిలోఫర్ అంటే ఛాయ్ అని తెలుసు కదా. సో అదే కాకుండా మనము ఈసారి గిఫ్టింగ్ రేంజ్లో కూడా దిగడం జరిగింది. సో మీరు చూడొచ్చు, చాలా వైడ్ రేంజెస్ ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ స్టార్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ 450 నుంచి ఎండింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ 2200 వరకు ఉంటుంది. సో ఆల్మోస్ట్ అన్ని ప్రీమియం సెగ్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది. అంత కస్టమైజేషన్ కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఇందులో వీ కవర్ ఆల్ ద థింగ్స్. అంటే కేఫ్ నిలోఫర్లో ఏదైతే ది బెస్ట్ ఉంటుందో దాంతో మనం ఒక గిఫ్టింగ్ క్రియేట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సో ఎవరైనా కార్పొరేట్ కంపెనీలో ఎవరికైనా గిఫ్టింగ్ ఇవ్వాలనుకున్నా, సో దివాళీ ప్రతి అకేషన్కి ఇప్పుడు ఈ రోజుల్లో ఆ స్వీట్ బాక్స్ అనేది రెగ్యులర్ ఉన్నాయి. అలా కాకుండా మన నిలోఫర్ ఫ్యాన్స్ చాలామంది లవర్స్ ఉన్నారు కదా, వాళ్ళందరి కోసం మనం గిఫ్టింగ్ కూడా క్రియేట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సో వాళ్ళ కోసం వాళ్ళకి ఏదైతే బడ్జెట్లో ఉందో, ఏ రేంజ్లో అయితే ఇవ్వాలనుకుంటున్నారో, సో అలా మనము వీఆర్ నాట్ టార్గెటింగ్, అంటే ఒక రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ ఆడియన్స్ని కాకుండా అందరినీ టార్గెట్ చేస్తున్నాము. సో ఎవరికైనా గిఫ్టింగ్ ఇవ్వాలనుకుంటే మాత్రం సో నిలోఫర్ ఇస్ ద బెస్ట్ ప్లేస్. సో ఇందులో మీరు ఆల్మోస్ట్ మన కుకీస్ కవర్ అవుతుంది, మన చైర్మన్స్ బ్లెండ్ టీ పౌడర్ కవర్ అవుతుంది, అలానే కాకుండా సమ్ డ్రై నట్స్ కవర్ అవుతుంది. సో ఫెస్టివల్స్ సీజన్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఒక గిఫ్ట్లో అన్ని రకాల సెగ్మెంట్స్ అన్నీ ఉండాలి కాబట్టి, సో అలా మనకి ఏదైతే అవసరమో అవన్నీ అందులో పెట్టి ఒక గిఫ్టింగ్ అనేది క్రియేట్ చేయడం జరిగింది. మీరు చూడవచ్చు, చాలా అంటే చాలా మంచి రేంజెస్ ఉన్నాయి. సో మనము ఫస్ట్ టైం ఇక్కడ హైటెక్ సిటీలో గిఫ్టింగ్ ఎక్స్పో ఎగ్జిబిషన్లో మనం ఒక స్టాల్ పెట్టడం జరిగింది. మీరు చూడొచ్చు, చాలా మంచి రెస్పాన్స్ ఉంది. సో చాలా అంటే చాలా లీడ్స్ కూడా వస్తున్నాయి. వీఆర్ సో హ్యాపీ టు బీ ఎ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఎక్స్పో ఎగ్జిబిషన్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఆన్ బిహాఫ్ ఆఫ్ కేఫ్ నిలోఫర్.
Hello everyone, I am Vikas Gattupalli from Red Square into corporate gifting. We are into manufacturing of all the kind of products in the market. So combo gift sets, notebooks, tabletops, and we are one of the leading manufacturer who offer best prices for the B2B. And we are into gift box manufacturing, where we make rigid boxes, MDF boxes, and all this setup with 7-8 domains of different manufacturing. We are one of the oldest from the 35 years in the market. Thank you.
Hi, this is Sushant from Mike Bags and Smiley Kiddos. Our corporate office is in Hyderabad, and our manufacturing plant is also in Hyderabad. And we are basically into manufactures of school bags, college bags, and all kind of customized bags. Okay, we are having our leading customer client base, like BPCL is one of our leading client base. Act Fiber Net is a leading client base. Okay, and we have actually started our mic bags in 2019, which has been incorporated, and it has been started on the owner's name as Mike. Okay, and we are currently available in Pan India. We have our own distributor channel as well as a dealer channel also, and we are like mostly into customization of customized bags.
I'm Mehak and I'm from Arya 24 KT. We are a premium gold foil company. We sell products such as photo frames, idols, a lot of corporate gifting, which we customize as well. We have completed 15 years, and we're proud to say that we have over 1,000 SKUs of a variety of products, as you can see, from religious products to home decor items, glassware, Vastu related products as well that you can see. Our best sellers are our tabletops that we have. So this is our glassware collection called Viola. We have teacups, bowls, beer glasses, highball glasses. These are day to day. These are good for day to day also, as well as some occasions. This is our newest launch of majestic elephants that are they're really exquisite. They're not available anywhere else in the market, and they're available in 3 different sizes. These are our tabletops, which is again our best sellers. They are religious also. We have a lot of religious aspects in them, but we can also do like home decor things like peacocks, customized for corporates with the doctor logo, envelopes, brooches, bookmarks, and all of that as well. This is our custom corporate section. So these are all in-clinic products, tabletops that we make basically for pharmas, but also again we have a lot of home decor options for other companies, a lot of wedding gifting, like this is a perfect wedding gift. So we have a lot of these products as well, all different prices and customizable according to your needs and wants. This is completely our idols section. So we have your calf and cows and different plating, like we have matte gold plating, we have the regular gold plating, we have silver, horses, a different variety of elephants, lots of Ganeshjis, Tirupati Balaji products as well, tortoise, and yet again these are our corporate products that we have customized over the years for different clients. Lastly, these are our frames. These are all custom corporate frames that we've created. These are the gold foil frames that we have. We have different collections like the Elite collection, Blessing collection, as well as a lot of home decor peacock frames, as you can tell. Perfect to elevate any corner in your room. And then these are the corporate frames that we do, like these anatomy frames for doctors, different parts of the body, and these are certificate frames, all in pure gold plating, and these come with a guarantee card as well. Our corporate products start from as less as 250 rupees and in different models and varieties. And some of our gold foil items the starting price is 500 rupees and can go up to 50,000 rupees.
యుగా ఏజెన్సీస్ ఫ్రమ్ లాస్ట్ 30 years ఈ లైన్లో ఉన్నాము. మేము అన్ని ఈవెంట్స్, కాన్ఫరెన్సెస్, తర్వాత ఆల్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫంక్షన్స్కి ఈవెంట్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ చేస్తాము. తర్వాత మేమేంటంటే ఒక పెద్ద కంపెనీస్కి డిస్ట్రిబ్యూటర్స్, స్వయం ఇండియా, ఎక్కడ లేని అని స్పెషల్గా మేము డెవలప్ చేస్తాము. డెవలప్ చేసి రిటర్న్ గిఫ్ట్స్కి, తర్వాత ఈ గిఫ్ట్స్, ఎటువంటిది అయినా ఐటమ్ మేము ఇవ్వగలుగుతాం. మేము కొత్తగా ఒకటి డెవలప్ చేసాము. ఆ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఏంటంటే రిబానా అనేది ఒక మెటీరియల్. ఇది ఏంటంటే ఈ స్పెషల్గా ఒక కస్టమర్కి కావాలంటే డెవలప్ చేసాం. ఒక ఇంటర్నేషనల్ కాన్ఫరెన్స్కి వెరీ బిగ్ క్వాంటిటీ ఇచ్చాం. ఇదేంటంటే ఈ నార్మల్గా బయట అవైలబుల్ కాదు. మీకు దీని స్పెషాలిటీ చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఎనీథింగ్ మీకు డిఫరెంట్ కావాలంటే we develop it and we provide it.
Pratik here from Elmo International. We having a brand like Gilmore. It's our own brand, and rest we have a license to manufacture for Nautica, Kenneth Cole and Giordano. We have 30 years of experience for the company for the manufacturing units. The brands like the Kenneth Cole and Nautica, we are making a backpack, laptop bag, duffel bags. We having a license to provide all the brand products, and we are giving to other brand also to give the products. You can see the products like the Gilmore. You can showcase the product like the backpacks, laptop bags. We are the starting range from the 399. You can see the 399 349, 349, 449. Then the low range. You can show the backpack also, the 449, 549, 699. You can showcase the combo also, the 1099 plus GST, 1100 plus GST. The new range of the Gilmore products, different ranges, the embroidery bag, the shoe bags. This is only for the 349 plus GST. The no one can make it. This is a new one. The hard case backpack with a trolley, like the Nautica, Kenneth Cole and Giordano. First we will go on the Giordano products. First we can go on the Giordano products. The range start from the 299, 399, 799. You can see the laptop sleeves with handle. Only for 299 only. You can see the Bachu bags, 199, 149. Different ranges. This is for 299, this is for 199. With the different unique colors. You can see the canvas material also. Canvas, we have a PU, we have. You can see the backpack range, 699, 799, 599. The different ranges. Next we can come at the Kenneth Cole, the US international brand. We have the manufacturer licensing. You can see the duffel bag with the smiley, the embroidery material. Only for 599. This is for 599. This is for 399. The lower range also we have 699, 799 for all this. If you want a premium one, we have a combo also. You can see the combo, the set of 4, the premium quality with the box packing. The alls come in the one box. The range is for 4499 plus GST. Yeah, you can see this backpack also, only for 1299. This come with the individual boxes. You can see that we also having a leather product also. You can see this, the leather products. See the backpack and all. We having a manufacturing license unit for this. You can see the trolley with a big handle, with the individual boxes. Next we can come at the Nautica brand. You can see the whole combo, the set of 8 or set of 9, 2500 plus GST. The no one can give at this rate. The set of 8, set of 9 products, having a 6 different colors, the unique colors, the decent colors. Set of 4, set of 5, set of 6, set of 7, as you can make. The Nautica envelope we can make in the chetai material also. You can see set of 3, set of 4, 1500 plus GST, set of 3, and the individual duffels, 699, 799. The range is lower. The no one can give this at this range. We having a trolleys also. This is for 2000 plus GST. The set of 4, the chetai material, the unique colors of 4 colors. The whole combo range. If you want in combo, if you want an individual part, you can get a Nautica trolley, 1890 plus GST, with the individual boxes. They all come in individual boxes. You can see the backpack, 449. You can see the backpack, 449 only. The shirt case, the whole combo sets. The Kenneth Cole with the front compartment. With the laptop compartment. You see, having a small and the bigger one also. Only for 2499, 2699. With the individual boxes. In this, the no one can give, and we have only the licensee to manufacture for it, and we give others to sell. No one can make it. We are the wholesale manufacturer for all this. 30 years of experience in the manufacturing for the bags, for all these brand. The Gilmore is our own brand. Yeah, and the rest, the Nautica, Kenneth Cole and Giordano. We have licensee to manufacture for all this.
Myself Kapil Sani, founder of 9Cock Sustainable Products, unit of Advanced Cock International. We have come from New Delhi to showcase our products in this exhibition at Hyderabad, and our products are 100% eco-friendly, sustainable, and made from eco-friendly cork, which is most commonly found in Portugal and Spain. This is a very beautiful product. It's 100% biodegradable and have very beautiful properties like it's very much durable, heat resistant, water resistant, permeable, etc. And the product that we cater includes hotel industries. We are into planters, we are into wall tiles, we are into floor tiles, but here we have come up with a range for like corporates. We have gifting combos, we have cork notebooks, we have laptop sleeves, and now we can show you our product range. And the first that we talk about, these are the very beautiful new range of laptop sleeves. made from sustainable fabric. And if we go a little forward, these are tote bags in the range of, this is made from fabric and mix of canvas. It's again 100% sustainable. These are cork trays. These can be easily washed. This we have cork notebooks. This is a very beautiful range of combos. And again, the new invention that we have taken in this exhibition is this wide range of eco-friendly and sustainable cork trophies. First time in India. And now in this column, we have a range of planters, the test tube planters. You can showcase your logo over here like this, and this comes with a fridge magnet at the back. You can simply stick to any iron surface.
Myself, Sagar Ghatia from Rajkot, Gujarat. We are a manufacturer of the Minakari item and corporate gift item. We are own manufacturing of these luxuries, hampers and boxes. Why we are different from the market? Our product is based from making from wooden and the aluminum foil. That's the different from the market. You can use from wedding, return gift and corporate gifting. The other product will be the jar product. You can use for the dry food and hamper boxes. There will be decorative steel boxes like more than 20 designs. Other will be we have corporate gifting like wooden pen stand for banking use, pharmaceutical use, and the IT company use. Our manufacturing from Jastan and Gujarat. We have a 10-year-old company. We are experienced in the wooden category more than 10 years. Our range starting from 100 rupees from the wooden series, and return gift start from 60 rupees. Like this, the starting from 65 rupees. Other will be depending on the designing and material. Will be only 65 rupees. This will be 200 rupees for 3 jar including all. This is the unique Ram Darbar gift boxes starting from 320 rupees. These will be Radha Krishna decorative boxes start from 170 rupees. This is the decorative wedding invitation boxes. You can use for decorative your invitation boxes starting from 250 rupees. This is the decorative Minakari boxes start from 130 rupees. This is the 2 jar hamper boxes start from 200 rupees. This is the decorative maroon color decorative boxes start from 350 rupees.
Hello, myself Mohammad Khalid. I'm the founder and CEO of Bayus.com. We manufacture customized bags for the corporate companies, institutions, pharmaceutical companies, and many more. We are the authorized manufacturer based in Hyderabad. We have a capacity of manufacturing more than 10,000 bags in a month. We customize as per your requirement. There is a no negotiable. The price will be yours and the quality will be yours. As per your quality, your price, we will manufacture. So I will explain some of our bags, the quality of the bags, what we are providing. And so we have manufactured for the Bosch, In Time Communication, JSS Pro, Suraksha, Sudhakar Group, Pennar Industries, Radiant Healthcare, Mahini Shahin Group, Sahara, and many more, Hindustan Liver, and many more. We have more than 500 plus customers across India and 50 plus institutions we have already covered, and we are the top, one of the top bag manufacturers in Hyderabad. So you can, as per your requirement, we manufacture customized bags. So let us know if you have any requirement. You can connect to us. And I want to say one thing over that. We have a team of more than 80 plus people who work directly craftsmen. Thank you so much.
माई सेल्फ अंजलि बच्चाओ, मैं प्रभु नायडू प्राइवेट लिमिटेड से हूँ. हमारी कंपनी सोशल एंटरप्राइज कंपनी है. बेसिकली वी मैन्युफैक्चर द कॉटन फैब्रिक्स एंड देन वी डू कस्टमाइज बैग्स एंड वी डू प्रिंटिंग एज वेल. सो रिगार्डिंग सोशल एंटरप्राइज, एक्चुअली हमारी कंपनी कोल्हापुर इचलकरंजी महाराष्ट्र से बेस्ड है एंड हम लोग फैब्रिक्स खुद इन हाउस बनाते हैं एंड देन हमारे एरिया में जो भी रूरल विलेजेस है उनको हम लोग काम देते हैं. हमारे कंपनी के अंडर अराउंड 5,000 लेडीज़ वर्किंग में है जो हमारे लिए काम करती हैं. हम लोग उनको काम देते हैं जो कि वो हमारे उनके फैमिली को भी देख सकते हैं एंड देन वो काम करेंगे, उनके घर वालों को भी देखेंगे एंड वो उनका कुछ अर्निंग भी कर सकते हैं। तो आप हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स भी देख सकते हो जो हमारी लेडीज़ ने स्टिच किया हुआ है, तो आप एक बार वो भी देख लीजिए। अभी ये बैग देख सकते हो आप, ये कैसे बैग उन्होंने स्टिच किया, और जिनको पेंटिंग वगैरह करने का इंटरेस्ट रहता है वो फिर इन्होंने ये पेंटिंग किया हुआ है अपने हाथ से, वो पेंट करते हैं बच्चों को वगैरह। ये जो बैग है ये सिर्फ इनको इसके ऊपर प्रिंटिंग किया हुआ है, कस्टमाइज प्रिंटिंग है। फिर ये बच्चों के लिए, बच्चों का ड्राइंग वगैरह एक्टिविटीज़ के लिए जाता है। ये कॉलेज में टिफ़िन बैग्स वगैरह है, इसको आप देख सकते हो अंदर से इसको थर्मल इंसुलेटर है, तो टिफ़िन भी लाइक गर्म रहता है। और ये सारा ग्रॉसरी बैग्स का सेक्शन है, ग्रॉसरी वगैरह में जाता है। ये लॉन्ड्री बैग्स है, होटल्स के लिए जाता है। और ये ब्रांडेड बैग्स है, हर अलग अलग ब्रांड्स के लिए हम लोगों ने काम किया है, लाइक HDFC, इंडियन ऑयल्स, हुंडई है, HP, टाटा स्टील, वेलनेस, पतंजलि, TEDx। Thank you.
Hello, my name is Avinash Gupta. I am from Fool.co company. So, Fool.co, as you might be knowing, we recycle flowers from temple waste. So, generally, what we do, we go to the temple, we offer flowers, and we never expect what is going to happen to those flowers. So, as an initiative, we started collecting flowers from temple and then upcycling them into incense product. As you can see from our product range, there are different sort of incense products, and also we manufacture holy colors. These colors are also made from the flowers. These are 100% natural color. We are the only brand in India who have a skin safety certificate. We have range of product ranging from holy gift hampers, Diwali gift hampers, also certain generic products. We have different range of gift boxes for all the occasions. So as you might see, there are different products over here. So these are holy gift boxes, different range of gift boxes starting from like 360 rupees and going up to 1500 rupees. This is one of our major collection, Prahlada box. So the basic concept that we use to tell is the story depicting. This is an Indian art form which is being used many years back. So we have used those art form in our gift boxes, and there are range of products like these incense products. If we talk about this particular product, this is made from the temples from the Ayodhya Mandir. From Ram Mandir, we are collecting the flowers, upcycling them into incense product. Similarly, we have products from Kashi Vishwanath temple. We are doing it from Kedarnath, Badrinath, Bodh Gaya. So in a sense, we are saving the aquatic life. We are reusing the flowers and helping the environment to grow in a proper way. Thank you.
I'm Mustafa from Quality Sales Corporation. We are importers for Zenius portable tea coffee maker. It is a device which can make any hot beverage up to 400 ml. We are marketing it as a portable tea coffee maker in India. So it can make milk tea, green tea, hot milk, hot chocolate, instant soup, milk coffee, black coffee, hot water. It can even make your kada and various other hot beverages. So it's a superior performance product, 100% leak proof technology, first time in India, premium quality, auto shut off feature with a stirring and foaming option, on the go portable device, easy to wash, consistent quality beverage, ideal premium gift, heats, boils and pasteurizes milk, heavy duty heating element, makes any hot beverage, rapid boil and cook technology, makes a minimum of 110 ml to maximum of 400 ml. Future product line is as there.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम स्नेहल है, मेरी कंपनी का नाम एक्वालॉइड है। हम लोग टी शर्ट्स में काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। हमारे पास ऑलमोस्ट 60 प्लस कलर्स, 30 प्लस कलर क्वालिटीज़ मिलते हैं। आप पूरा रेंज हमारे पास दे सकते हैं। हमारे पास शर्ट्स, टी शर्ट्स, राउंड नेक, कॉलर, स्वेट शर्ट्स, कैप्स मिल जाएंगे। हमारा एक स्पेशल प्रोडक्ट है, ये कंप्रेस टी शर्ट है। राउंड नेक टी शर्ट को कंप्रेस करके ये शेप में बनाया जाता है। तो ये सारे रेंज आप देख सकते हैं। ये हमारे 32 कलर्स है, 100% कॉटन टी शर्ट्स है, ये स्वेट शर्ट्स है, ये विदाउट हुड है, ये विथ हुड आता है। ये हमारे शर्ट्स का रेंज है। इसमें 3 क्वालिटीज़ हम लोग बनाते हैं, स्टॉक रखते हैं, फिलाफिल, ऑक्सफर्ड और गीज़ा कॉटन। रेडी स्टॉक होता है हमारे पास, कभी भी मिल जाएगा। कम से कम क्वांटिटी 1 से लेकर के आप 1 लाख पीस भी अगर चाहिए तो हम बना करके दे सकते हैं। 100% कॉटन टिपिंग रेंज है, 30 कलर्स। टिपिंग मतलब कॉलर के ऊपर ये जो लाइन आती है उसको टिपिंग बोला जाता है। इसमें कॉलर के साथ कफ में भी वो टिपिंग आ जाती है। ये हमारे ऊपर का रेंज प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट्स है। वाइल्ड हॉर्न के नाम, ब्रांड नेम इज़ वाइल्ड हॉर्न विद जकार्ड टिपिंग। ये हमारा प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट है 69 टर्टल ब्रांड के नाम से। ये इसमें स्टाइलिश कॉलर आता है, यूवी प्रोटेक्शन है, बायो वॉश है, एंटीबैक्टीरियल है। और ये टी शर्ट की स्पेशलिटी है मर्सराइज। मर्सराइज मतलब कि ऊपर का पूरा लेयर निकल जाता है, जिसकी वजह से इसका कलर काफ़ी, उसकी डेप्थ बढ़ जाती है, लाइफ ज़्यादा रहता है, 0% श्रिंकेज। दिस इज़ द फाइनेस्ट फैब्रिक मनी कैन बाई। दिस फैब्रिक कम्स फ्रॉम ऑस्ट्रिया। In this we get 3 colors, black, blue and white. नया सीरीज़ है आर्कटिक सीरीज़, वेरी प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट। ये हमारा रफ्टी 260 GSM 100% कॉटन, 42 कलर्स। ये एक हमारा स्पेशल प्रोडक्ट है जहाँ अंदर का पूरा लेयर पॉलिस्टर है, अंदर का लेयर पूरा कॉटन आएगा और बाहर का पूरा पॉलिस्टर। दिस मीन्स दैट दिस विल गिव यू अ कंफर्ट ऑफ ए कॉटन एंड अ ड्यूरेबिलिटी ऑफ ए पॉलिस्टर। दिस इज़ अनदर प्रोडक्ट। ये 60% कॉटन है, 40% पॉलिएस्टर आएगा। ये हमारा राउंड नेक का रेंज है। इसमें 18 कलर्स आता है, 100% कॉटन, बायो वॉश। ये भी एक बहुत ही प्रीमियम क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट है। इसको हम लोग इंटरलॉक बोलते हैं। ब्रांड का नाम है वाइल्ड हॉर्न। इसमें 17 कलर्स आते हैं। ये हमारा ओवर साइज जो अभी लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड में है, इसमें 5 कलर में स्टॉक होता है हमारे पास। 220 GSM 100% कॉटन। ये हमारा नॉन कॉटन बेस्ड राउंड नेक टी शर्ट्स का सीरीज़ है। इसमें पॉलिस्टर कॉटन मिक्स और 60% कॉटन 40% पॉलिस्टर में आ जाएगा। ये हमारा बेसिक रेंज के टी शर्ट स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 300 रुपीज़ ऑनवर्ड। इसमें 12 कलर्स आ जाएंगे। तो आपको अगर कोई भी प्रोडक्ट में अगर इंटरेस्ट है तो आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं। मेरा नंबर है 9573448000। आई रिपीट 9573448000 और हमारी ऑफिस पैराडाइज क्रॉस रोड के पास है। थैंक यू।
Yeah, I am Mohammad Izaz Ahmad from Adamson Corporate. So we have started this business in the year 2004 from Hyderabad based. Now our presence is in Pune, Mumbai and Hyderabad, and we do manufacture all kind of bags specialized in backpack and laptop bags. So we do all kind of bags like pure leather, non-leathers, polyesters, waterproof and all. We supply to the mainly corporate with their logo branding and customize if required, and we supply across India wherever the client is needed. We maintain ready stock also for immediate requirement of our client, where we have been given within a day, and within 24 hours we supply with them with their logo printing and all. So this kind of bags business we are doing since last 20 years. PU leather travel bag where logo branding will come here and will dispatch on the same day. And this kind of polyester bags and backpacks, these are that very fast moving in the corporate because of 3-in-1, and all the companies are mostly like these kind of products, very budget friendly and high durability. And this kind of non-leather type of backpack which is high durability and budget friendly items, all these are also ready stock and dispatch within 2 days with their logo branding and all.
Hi, my name is Rohit Gada. So my company's name is GenX Corporate Gifts. We are dealing into many products like welcome kits, gift combos, and I would like to show you some of our good items which we are selling. So these are gift combos that you can say a welcome kit. It is a 7-in-1 thing. 7 items comes in one box. We can customize it in any color, say red, green, blue, white, any color we can do it. Cork material, this is eco-friendly material. We have this in bamboo material as well. So all welcome kits are available in different type of varieties. We have something in black and gold combination, black and wood combination, which goes very well into the corporates. These are some glass items. These are some wooden combos, diary pen, keyring, and these are all employee gift sets. Comes in a very economic budget and a good gifting option. This is something very creative. This is in an animal print, a mug, diary pen, and a bottle. This is a tech set. It is 6-in-1. The main product is mouse and a USB inside this, and a lot of other products like diary pen, USB. So we do a lot of branding on all products. The minimum quantity you can order is like 50 quantity as well. And we are from Bombay, so if you have any requirement, you can contact us.
హాయ్, నా పేరు వికాస్. మేము ఇక్కడ డీలింగ్ స్టాల్ పెట్టాము. సో డీలింగ్ వైఫై రౌటర్. సో అక్విలా ప్రో అని చెప్పేసి ఇది మెష్ బేస్డ్ వైఫై రౌటర్ అనమాట. ఇది లేటెస్ట్ వైఫై 6 టెక్నాలజీ తోటి వచ్చింది. ప్లస్ దీంట్లో ఏంటంటే అక్విలా ప్రో అని మొబైల్ అప్లికేషన్ ఇస్తాము. అప్లికేషన్ త్రూ మనం ఎక్కడి నుంచి అయినా డివైస్ని యాక్సెస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో దీంట్లో మల్టిపుల్ ఫీచర్స్ ఉన్నాయన్నమాట. మనము అమెజాన్ అలెక్సాని కూడా లింక్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అనమాట. అప్లికేషన్ త్రూ వాయిస్ కమాండ్స్ కూడా ఇచ్చుకోవచ్చు. దాంతోపాటు ఏంటంటే దీంట్లో మనకు మెయిన్గా లైక్ చిల్డ్రన్స్ గురించి సపరేట్ ప్రొఫైల్స్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకొని టైం లిమిట్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు అనమాట వైఫైలో కూడా. సో సర్టెన్ టైం అంటే మనకు మార్నింగ్ 10 to 6 ఈవినింగ్ వరకు వైఫై ఉంచేసి దాని తర్వాత మనం ఆఫ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు అనమాట ఆటోమేటిక్గా. సో అలాగా దీంట్లో ఇది వచ్చేసి మనకు స్పీడ్ అప్ టు 3000 Mbps వైఫై స్పీడ్ ఉంటుంది ఈ రౌటర్లో. సో దీని తర్వాత మోడల్ వచ్చేసి మనకు వైఫై 6 ఇది 1500 Mbps అనమాట. సో అప్ టు 1500 Mbps స్పీడ్ వరకు ఇది వైఫైలో మనకు త్రూపుట్ వస్తుంది. సో దీంట్లో గిగా వ్యాన్ అండ్ ల్యాండ్ పోర్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట దీంట్లో. సో 4 ఎక్స్టర్నల్ యాంటీనాస్తో పాటు వస్తుంది. సో ఇది కూడా మనకు మొబైల్ అప్లికేషన్ ఉంది. దీనికి కూడా ఎక్కడి నుంచి అయినా కూడా మనం యాక్సెస్ చేసేసుకొని మనకు కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ కానీ, గెస్ట్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ కానీ, లైక్ పేరెంటల్ కంట్రోల్ కానీ, సో ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనము ఓవర్ ఇంటర్నెట్ మొబైల్ అప్లికేషన్ త్రూ కూడా కాన్ఫిగర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో దీని తర్వాత డిఫరెంట్ రౌటర్. సో మనకు వెరైటీ ఆఫ్ రౌటర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో దీంట్లో వచ్చేసి మనకు ఇది 2 రౌటర్ ప్యాక్ వస్తుంది దీంట్లో. సో 1 యాజ్ ఏ రౌటర్ మాస్టర్ లాగా పనిచేస్తుంది, 1 యాజ్ ఏ రిపీటర్ మనము ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసుకోవడానికి వాడుకోవచ్చు అనమాట. సో అరౌండ్ మోర్ దాన్ మనకు 4000 square feet ఏరియా కవర్ చేస్తుంది ఈ రౌటర్ అనేది. సో రౌటర్సే కాకుండా మనకు డీలింగ్లో మొబైల్ అడాప్టర్స్ కూడా వచ్చాయి. సో అడాప్టర్స్లో వచ్చేసి మనకు రెగ్యులర్ మొబైల్స్ ఛార్జ్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఇది అప్ టు 20 watt సపోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది ఇది. సో దీని తర్వాత వచ్చేసి మనకు లైక్ ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఫర్ ఐఫోన్స్ పర్పస్. సో ఇది అప్ టు 20 watt ఇది కూడా. అదే కాకుండా మనకు ఫాస్ట్ ఛార్జర్ కూడా వచ్చింది. ఇది వచ్చేసి అప్ టు 65 watt ఉంటుంది. సో దీంట్లో మనకు మొబైల్తో పాటు ల్యాప్టాప్స్ కూడా ఛార్జ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ప్లస్ దీంట్లో C టైప్ కేబుల్ కూడా వస్తుంది అనమాట రౌటర్ మన అడాప్టర్తో పాటు. అదేవిధంగా మనము పవర్ స్ట్రిప్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి డీలింక్లో. సో రెగ్యులర్ పవర్ స్ట్రిప్లో ఏంటంటే మనకు కంజెస్టెడ్ ఉంటుందన్నమాట కొంచెము. ఈ పవర్ స్ట్రిప్లో వచ్చేసి మనకు 4 సాకెట్స్ ఉంటాయి, రెగ్యులర్ సాకెట్స్. దాంతోపాటు 5 USB పోర్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి. USB మనకు మెయిన్గా వచ్చేసి మొబైల్ ఛార్జింగ్ పర్పస్ కానీ సో దానికోసం వాడుకోవచ్చు. ప్లస్ 5 USBతో పాటు 1 C టైప్ పోర్ట్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఇది 18 watt పవర్ సపోర్ట్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. సో ఓవరాల్గా ఇవి ప్రొడక్ట్స్ మనం ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇవి కాకుండా మనకు టోటల్ రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి డీలింక్లో. సో టోటల్ రేంజ్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్. సో ఎండ్ టు ఎండ్ ఎనీ నెట్వర్క్ సొల్యూషన్ కావాలంటే మీకు కేబుల్స్ దగ్గర నుంచి ర్యాక్స్ కానీ, లైక్ వైఫై రౌటర్స్, స్విచ్చెస్లో మేనేజ్డ్, అన్మేనేజ్డ్, లైక్ ఫుల్లీ మేనేజ్డ్ స్విచ్చెస్, అండ్ వైర్లెస్లో కూడా రెగ్యులర్ మేనేజ్డ్ అండ్ కంట్రోలర్ బేస్డ్ మేనేజ్డ్ వైర్లెస్ డివైజెస్, ఇండోర్ అవుట్డోర్ డివైజెస్, సర్వేలెన్స్, IP కెమెరాస్ కానీ, అదేవిధంగా ర్యాక్లో కూడా స్మార్ట్ ర్యాక్స్, రెగ్యులర్ ర్యాక్స్. సో టోటల్ ఎండ్ టు ఎండ్ సొల్యూషన్ మన డీలింక్లో మీరు తీసుకోవచ్చు. So that is what from our side.
My name is Vaibhav Jain and I am from Nanobot Houseware Solutions Private Limited, Jodhpur. So we are in the bottle business and we are the proud manufacturers of made in India, BIS approved, ISI approved bottles. And what we have done in this industry is we started in 2017 and we were the only one who started the bottle business. Before us, all the bottles which are coming in India were imported from China. Even today 90% of the bottles are imported from China, but now Indian government is helping us putting a ban on the import of the bottles. So that is a very great step by government of India. Another thing I would highlight is this part. So what we have done in 2014 is we have saved 1.5 days of plastic of single use scrap going into the mother earth by selling as much bottles. You can see in this particular line wherein we say that in 2024 a remarkable 5746 tons of plastic has been kept out of our planet's ecosystem, and we have done that, and we have saved 1.5 days of plastic going into the mother earth. Now if we come and cover our entire range, so what we have brought to Quest Asia is our gifting range, and we are measured into two segments. One is single wall bottles and one is a double wall bottle. Single wall bottle is a replacement of a plastic bottle, and if you read any article that is available on the internet, they say that one steel bottle, if used by one individual for an entire year, it replaces 100 single-use plastic bottles in a year by an individual, and also you save up to 2 kgs of plastic going into the mother earth. And we aim at being plastic free one day in future. And the range, if you see here, so this is our the lower segment are the single layer bottles or the portable bottles, which is a replacement of plastic bottles. On the second shelf we have our double layer bottles, and on we have also curated some of the combo sets which are very handy, which are very unique in terms of gifting. This is our single wall range. We have capacities from 300 ml to 1000 ml. Now if we go to our gifting range, so this is a very unique combo set where there is one single bottle that is ranging from 350 ml to 750 ml, and with a variation of double walled mugs. So it is a perfect gift to anyone whom you want to gift someone. Then this is our entire double wall range, which is ISI approved. It keeps your liquid hot and cold for 12 hours to 36 hours, and this typically sell in the market for 900 rupees, but we at Nanobot do not want these products to be bulky on the customers, and we offer it at a price range of 650 to 700 rupees based on the quantity.
ఆర్టిస్ట్ శ్రీకాంత్ బాబు అండి. మన క్యాన్వస్ మీద పేపర్ డిఫరెంట్ మీడియాస్ యాక్చువల్గా గ్యాలరీస్ అవన్నీ కండక్ట్ చేస్తుంటాము, అండ్ ఆల్సో ఆర్ట్ ఫెస్టివల్స్ లైక్ ఇది హైటెక్స్లో ఇవి మేము బెంగళూరు ముంబై ఇవన్నీ కూడా పోయి వస్తున్నాము. ఇప్పుడే బిగినింగ్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది, చూడాలి క్రౌడ్ అది బాగానే ఉంది, ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్. ఇది నేను ఎక్కువ మైథాలజీ వేస్తుంటానండి, మన ఇండియన్ మైథాలజీ, మన దేవుళ్ళు కానీ దేవుళ్ళు, మన ఎథిక్స్ అవన్నీ వేస్తుంటాను. ఇవి వచ్చేసి క్యాన్వాస్ వెంకటేశ్వర స్వామి, సైజ్ 6 feet బై 4.5 feet. ఈ పద్మనాభ స్వామి అండి, రంగనాథుడు ఉంటారు కదా, రంగనాథుడు కేరళ పద్మనాభ స్వామి అలాగా నాకు గుర్తింపు కానీ ఏది అన్నీ ఈ పెయింటింగ్ ఈ విగ్రహంతో నాకు మంచి ఐడెంటిటీ వచ్చింది. స్వామివారును విశ్వరూప దర్శనము, దశావతారాలు, మన గుడి మీద ఉండే ఆర్కిటెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది కదా, గుడి మీద ఉండే ఆర్కిటెక్ట్ అవన్నీ నేను మెన్షన్ చేసి చేశాను నేను.
Piyush Parmar here. I'm looking after amazing gift. So we have multiple products and we are into corporate gifting. We do manufacture a lot of products. Let me show you one by one. So to start with, we have H&W. It's Heal and Will. So all products are related to medical. So you have a bed sheet, we have a quilt, pillow covers, armrest, all hygienic. So this goes well with all the corporates. So they give it to their doctors. So this is one category. Then second, we have a brand called Kabji. Kabji, it's basically into a green tea. So they have all types of green teas, all different flavors they have. So it can be, it's a good purpose. If you can see the packing, it's good. So we have a ginger, we have a jamun. So it's a pack of 10. So 10 flavors in one cup. Then if we move on, so we have a brand called Tanjore. So Tanjore is more into incense sticks. So this is something new, which is a car freshener. It's a camphor corn. It's a camphor. Huge range. If you see the packaging also, like it's all different related to state culture we have. Then we have a pen called Kalista. So Kalista is more into customization pen. So this is a sand timer. So all related to pharma content. So this is again, it's a dual shade pen, so we can have a dual combo. This is my core specialty. It's all into metal product. So we do make all promotional product. It's all customized. Mostly goes with the pharma company, all with a different concept. So this is with the aeroplane, then balancing theme, then something for the Republic Day. Something goes well with the Make in India concept. Then we do have something in MDF, so good on the go, like XN0 game we can play. A mobile holder. Then we have something in acrylic. We do make a lot of customization product. Then these are the gel packs, especially for the fever. Something different mobile holders with the theme. Then this is again bookmarks with the original Nilgiri leaves with the branding. This is a new category called shoe mystery, a shoe care kit, a complete kit. You can clean your shoes, shoe deodorizer, moisturizer. We have a product called the Theatre Project. So all flavored popcorns, chips, good for event, conference meet, or some sort of get together. The shelf life is for 12 months. We have a flavored chips. The life is for 12 months, no palm oil. Then we have a flavored popcorn. So ongoing mini theater you can have a home. So next month onwards, Champions Trophy IPL will start, so you can watch enjoying India-Pakistan match with the flavored popcorns.
Hi, my name is Tariq Nisar. I am the national head of Novix India. We are basically manufacturers of hard luggage, backpacks and accessories based in Delhi. We are also OEM supplier for many big brands in the country. We are operating since 1994 and we are one of the few manufacturers who have been operating this long, making quality products and supplying nationwide. We are basically specializing in luggage manufacturing. We are also having a license of Disney and Marvel. And we are supplying this product throughout the country through different channels. We are available through online. We are doing OEM manufacturing for different brands. We are supplying through general trade and large formats as well. So we are participating in this Quest Asia, 4th edition Quest Asia of Gifting and Stationery Expo, having good coverage here. A lot of good quality footfalls are also coming. And we are hoping to give our best to cater to the client's need and as well as understanding the market trends and the changes so that we can also inculcate those changes in our products as well, because every day and every now and then the technology or the product advancement is happening. So basically we have come here and participated in this event to understand the industry trends and to understand what our competition brands are offering and where are we standing in front of them. I'll show you few products of ours which are basically this is an authorized Marvel product. We are the authorized licensee of this product. This is basically 100% made in India product. Even we are manufacturing all the accessories in India. The body is unbreakable and unscratchable. This cannot be scratched and even this cannot be broken. So this is 100% virgin PC. We are manufacturing all this product in India, and this is one of the very loved products of all the segment that we are making. We are having 17 character license in this category. I'll just show you all the categories available. Like Unicorn is there, Marvel is there, Disney is there. So we have different prints in Spider-Man, Avengers, Captain America. So put together we're having 17 characters available in e-commerce and different general trade and modern trade channels. Now I'll show you a few bags as well. We are also having this if you can see, this product is loved by corporates. It's very good product for a 1-2 day travel, having all very good quality trolley, as well as it's in 4 wheels. It is very good for somebody who's traveling for 2-3 days, maybe for outside, maybe for small vacation, maybe for office work. Few products that we are also making are of this is the pilot trolley. We are having 9 different models in this category. This is a hard trolley. We are having in leatherite PU fabric. We are having a product in melange fabric as well. So we are having different category of products. Show the backpack. This is the Avengers backpack that we are supplying. Basically, it is loved by kids, for school going kids, and we have another 7 to 8 prints in this format. This is the Spider-Man school bags, which are loved by school going kids up to class 5. We have this is the Snug-On. Snug-On is also our in-house brand. So this is we are having this product in printed bonded twill fabric. You can see another product that is loved by corporates and office goers. This is a convertible product. So this can be converted into a school bag as well as file bag. See this through this strap you can carry on your back as well. You can change the format and carry it as a file bag. So this is also for a multi utility product. So these are few school bags that we have. That these school bags with different prints. We have luggage bag, we have trolley bags, we have overnighters, we have backpack trolleys, we have luggage, and across category of the product. So that's all from my end. Thank you so much, and I hope you love the product, and I hope you will buy our products as well. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, myself Rakhi Mukherjee. I'm the founder of Expo Galaxia Private Limited. We are organizing 4th edition of Quest Asia. Quest Asia is a name which came after a long research. So Quest Asia represents now corporate gifting and stationery India, which we are going to organize, and we are doing it at Hyderabad. The 4th edition is related to different types of gifting, not only limited to only sustainable, it can be innovation. So we request everyone to join this exhibition and explore the corporate gifting option at Hightex Exhibition Center from 31st Jan till 2nd of February. Thank you so much.